Hello, beautiful people. Welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'm sharing with you a powerful juice for women during and after menstruation period. Let's get started. I have honey, which contains variety of nutrients, beetroot, rich source of iron and fiber, celery, great source of important antioxidant, lemon, high in vitamin C, ginger, reduces inflammation, and water. I'll first cut the beet greens or the beet stems. The beet greens are high in vitamin C. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in helping improve our immune system. I'll then cut off the dirty part of the root and then the long tail of the root. I'll cut the beet greens, put it in a bowl, and then I'll set that on the side. I'll then peel the skin of the beet off. You can choose to leave that on as long as you've washed it very well. Okay, and I recommend you use a brush to wash it if you're not going to be peeling it. I'll take everything to my sink and then thoroughly wash everything very well. Guys, it is important to wash your vegetables, your fruit before juicing or even consuming it. And now over to my cutting board, I'll cut all of my vegetables. So I've started with the celery. I'm cutting my ginger in small pieces. I'm also peeling the skin of the lemon off, and then I'll cut my lemon in pieces as well. And then my beets. And once the beets is all done cutting up, everything goes into the blender. I'll add my honey and then I'll blend until very smooth. As I said earlier, beetroot is a good iron source which our body as women depletes rapidly when we bleed. It's also rich in beta carotene and antioxidant which promote the flow of blood to the uterus and reduce cramping. Moreover, menstrual bloating is caused by water retention and beetroot helps to reduce this retention. Balance our hormones and reduce the excess estrogen levels. Beets are a great source of folic acid and potassium that are great help when on our period. My juice is all done blending. I'll use a nut milk bag to strain. You can use any strainer you have at home to strain your juice. And also, according to my research, anyone who is pregnant or trying to become pregnant with low blood pressure, low calcium, and high iron in the body should consult a doctor before drinking this. You can also use a little water to rinse your blender and then you can pour it into the strainer and then you strain it into the juice. I recommend you make this juice during menstruation. It has helped me and that's why I'm sharing this with you all. I'm all done straining my juice. I have enough juice for a couple of days. I'll store my juice in this glass jar that I also got from Amazon. With the help of my funnel, I will transfer the juice to my bottles, guys. And you need a funnel for this because you know beet juice can stain. And I was able to get about 5 bottles out of my juice. You can drink 1 glass a day during and after menstruation. You can enjoy this with ice or without ice, anyhow you want to enjoy this. You're still going to reap the benefit. And also, your urine will appear red or pink after drinking this juice. I highly recommend this juice for all women, guys, especially during and after period. This juice is loaded with health promoting properties which can support the health of your brain, heart, and digestive system. And lastly, the iron in beets helps the body make more red blood cells, meaning more hemoglobin and oxygen for the cells in our body. Women, let's take care of ourselves. If you're a new subscriber, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for subscribing. And if you have not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and be part of this family. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your massive support. Thank you. God bless you. And please stay safe. Bye, guys.